Srimati Parvatamma Shamanur Shivashankarappa English Medium Residential School, Cambridge International School and Bapuji SPSS PU College is situated at Davangere in the state of Karnataka. The organization has grown under the able leadership of Dr. Shamanur Shivashankarappa, who has shaped various educational institutions to cater to contemporary demands. PSS EMRS and PU College was founded by late Srimati Parvatamma Shamanuru Shivashankarappa. The school is chaired by Sri S.S. Ganesh, a prominent industrialist and entrepreneur. PSS EMR School is located in 45 acres of lush green campus, and it preserves a well-maintained campus that facilitates adequate setting for intellectual strife. At PSS EMRS, we place utmost importance on the physical and emotional well-being of the students as well as teachers. The highly trained faculty of the school and college focus on teaching all the core subjects using the latest teaching techniques developed around the world. The school assembly is meant to fulfill the purpose of conventional gathering. School being the foundation of a student's life, the program of the assemblies has the potential to nurture and maintain a positive, healthy school culture which binds everyone together.
During the morning assembly, all of us gathered in the assembly area as a part of an institution, regardless of our age, culture, religion, etc.
The classrooms are equipped with smart boards and audio equipment to share and collaborate. The visual classrooms are set up for enriching learning experience with screen sharing and virtual whiteboard features which facilitated online learning during the pandemic. Our teaching and learning policy aims to ensure that all children are provided with high-quality learning experiences that lead to a consistently high level of achievement and ideal attitude.
We encourage the imaginative and creative expression of all students, help them to be intelligently critical, support them to develop a wide range of skills. Above all, provide a uniquely reassuring home learning environment.
Fine arts, visual arts, theatre and music are integrated throughout our core subject in order to foster appreciation of arts and to improve our knowledge.
Policies are key for the success of a school. Policies help define rules, regulations, procedures and protocols for the institution. The institution has established standard operating procedures and created standards of quality for learning and safety as well as expectations and accountability. We believe that every student has a right to enjoy education free from fear and distress. The school has framed various policies which form a linking pin between the school management, teachers, students, parents and the state. The academic year commences with the formulation of the event calendar, building the curricula, develop lesson plans, micro-schedule, test schedule, etc.
Micro-schedules are exhaustive tabulation of content to be taught in every session during the course of an academic year. We break down the information into bite-sized chunks, not only making it easier for the students to absorb the content, but also resulting in better learning.
The teacher devised a few activities that allow us to practice the target point, preferably through a mix of skills, speaking, listening, reading and writing.
The institution believes in continuous learning and evaluation.
Our school conducts remedial classes and prep classes with the sole purpose of providing necessary and correct foundation to rectify students' past mistakes and improve their future learning. They also hasten the process of learning the subject. Underachievers are promoted to update their learning Gifted students are promoted to expand their learning through prep classes.
We have well-configured laboratories for the students to help foster practical skills. Students get a first-hand experience by performing various experiments on their own, design websites, create multimedia content, and create software programs in keeping with international requirements. Our institution has an enlightening and a well-equipped library. It has a rare collection of books on various subjects. The collection consists of books, newspapers, magazines, Kindles, desktop computers, reference materials, CDs and DVDs. The school has strategically placed more than 300 CCTV cameras to view areas on the campus and for strict surveillance. To increase the access of digital content among staff and students, the entire campus is Wi-Fi enabled. The school offers special coaching in Olympiad, NTSE, SAT, KVPY, IIT JEE, NEET Foundation. We train students for Model United Nations and a host of other life skill courses on Sundays. At PSCMRS, we access prior learning of students, differentiate instructions, identify students' strengths and weaknesses, and the gaps they have in their learning or skills. We aspire to achieve the highest standards in sports through tenacity, diligence, dedication, respect, discipline, collaboration, resilience, optimism, and courage. The school also caters to annual events like CBSE Cluster Games, and we have had the privilege of hosting CBSE National Level Athletic Meet for the first time in Karnataka and for the second time in South India. Our students have represented the country at various international sport events like swimming and cricket.
Sports are important in school because it inculcates qualities like leadership, patience, teamwork, and social skills. We participate in school sports to increase our confidence, mental alertness, and self-esteem.
The institution offers disciplines such as swimming, cricket, hockey, volleyball, kho-kho, kabaddi, basketball, skating, badminton, table tennis, athletics, football, lawn tennis, handball, shooting, archery, and horse riding. The institution has a gymnasium, kindergarten play area, and we offer yoga and karate as well.
The music department of our institution offers a number of programs and a wide variety of music study instructions in both Western and Indian categories. Students are provided with vocal training and are also trained in musical instruments such as the piano, keyboard, tabla, violin, etc. Students are taught Indian classical dance, Bharatanatyam, and Western dance with distinct cultural and aesthetic appeals.
We aim to bring together classically trained dancers and at the same time encourage the students to learn the rich culture of our country. The students can boost their stamina, memory power, flexibility of their body through dance, communication and representation of academics and co-curriculum activities.
Art focuses on both the meaning and form, and the children enhance the skills of imagining, reflecting, seeing, and feeling through art. It expands their ability to invent and experiment. Artwork on display around the campus is a combined effort of the staff and the students. The school has 14 clubs to unearth latent talent of its pupils. Clubs like Creative Crew have worked in amplifying students' talent through digital content production. Some of its works are on our social media handles. The school has an NCC 33 Karnataka Battalion unit, which is a first of its kind in the region, to have the obstacle training course and a firing range. We have a hygienic mess with 7 well-maintained dining halls where we purvey nutritious and scrumptious meals along with luscious fruit and healthy beverages. A larder is restricted to only professional cooks and the entry to the larder is strictly forbidden to others. The boarding houses are regularly fumigated and kept clean and tidy at all times. The toilets are provided with the best of sanitary ware and all measures are taken to maintain the best standards of health and hygiene. The hostels are equipped with solar water heaters. We provide convenient and safe pickup facility. The school has an extensive fleet of well-maintained buses which cover a large radius around the school.
Our school transportation has a conductor and an attendant to ensure the safety of all of us. Our school buses have all the mandatory clearances from the concerned authorities to ply on the road. In effort to keep an abreast with the modern trends and technologies, our school has also fixed a GPS system to track the movement of the bus. The bus in which I travel comes regularly on time. The most interesting part while traveling in bus is chit-chatting with friends, fighting for windows, and looking outside the windows, the things that we leave behind while we move forward.
The auditorium is spacious, light and airy. It has an audience capacity of 800 people. The state-of-the-art sound system guarantees the audience seated in the hall clear audibility. We have 5 water purification plants on the campus. Students can drink water straight out of the taps on every floor. The school also has a health center open throughout the day with a qualified nurse available.
Our school has its own campus radio. We broadcast a colorful blend of edu-infotainment programs designed all by us. It's a grooming ground for all of us, especially who wish to pursue a career in broadcasting.
Counseling is designed to give students a healthy outlook to safely discuss their problems, work together to resolve conflicts, improve behavior, and help them with their social development. Our school counselor works with young students of the kindergarten or with the older high school students, each with their unique set of challenges and at crucial turning points in their lives.
The counselor helps us discuss our problems, thoughts, and feelings in a confidential setting, helping us adjust to the culture of the school.
The school has an ultra-modern laundry to cater to the needs of students. The clothes are collected for washing and returned in time. The school has a hairdressing salon to cater to the needs of the students. The hairdresser is timely called up on to have the students' disheveled haircut. The school has a tailor who takes all the measurements and stitches uniforms. The school has a 24-hour power backup, well-maintained STP plant and rain harvesting pits. The school is blessed with an in-house dairy with over 50 Gir cows fulfilling the needs of dairy products in the kitchen. The school runs a cafeteria called Rendezvous. At parent-teacher meetings, teachers will share the progress and development of the students. This will be done through open and positive communication and will involve sharing the work done in class and as home learning. School Annual Day celebrations. It is a once-a-year event that brings teachers, students, school management and parents on the same platform. The student leadership policy mandates the school to organize the investiture ceremony at the beginning of the year, and the year culminates with the valedictory ceremony for the outgoing students, a time when they take memories of school life.
The clubs conduct an array of events every week. Each club conducts its own inter-school and inter-collegiate festivals. Samram, an annual cultural, inter-school and intercollegiate fest, is organized by these clubs. A total of 6,000 participants take part in this extravaganza from all over the state.
Some of the important days that we celebrate are Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. The other famous festivals of India include Lohri, Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi, Raksha Bandhan, Holi, Diwali, etc. Students from different regions experience the joy of festivals. It truly enhances the Indian culture. The school invites eminent personalities from all walks of life to motivate constantly and inspire the young minds of our school. Some of the key visitors are Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Mrs. Margaret Alva, Mr. Dharam Singh, Brigadier Sunil Sharon, Dr. Benny Prasad, Mr. Nivedan Nenpe, Dr. Hari and Hema, Srimati Akkai Padmashali, etc. The campus is laden with a floral garden and a large area covered with lush green parks. PSS EMR has earned its position as one of the most reputable and popular schools in the city over the years, and it serves as an exclusive institute for holistic development of the students of different ages, abilities, and backgrounds.
I welcome you to your new family.